sight. Oh, Gloria, where have you gone? In the city of dreams, I feel so alone. With each step I take, my heart starts to race, longing to find you, to see your sweet face. The whispers of past in the cobblestone lanes echo our laughter, now only remains. I search through the night, under stars' gentle gleam, hoping to find you like a lost distant dream. Oh, Gloria, where have you gone? In the city of dreams, I feel so alone. With each step I take, my heart starts to race, longing to find you, to see your sweet face. Nostalgia fills my soul as I call out your name. In the alleys and corners, it's always the same. The scent of jasmine, the sound of the sea, reminds me of moments when you were with me. Oh, Gloria, where have you gone? In the city of dreams, I feel so alone. With each step I take, my heart starts to race, longing to find you, to see your sweet face. So I'll keep on searching through night and through day. In Travessa de Glória, I'll find my way. For in this old city where our love once did bloom, I'll find you, dear Gloria, and end this sad tune.
Okay, this is Gloria Lane. We have this beautiful little Portuguese restaurant right here called Madeira, which is relatively new. Across the street real quick. But we're going to be going up down that lane in a moment. Just going to capture some of the flowers right there. But then actually when you capture this building just right, it looks pretty cool. So I'll probably walk around this building Madeira slightly, and then we're going to go down our alley. And here comes the bus. So let's check out this little slice of Taipa in Macau. Travessa de Glória. This is in the back streets of Taipa. What a beautiful area. And Gloria is Portuguese for glory. And the Chinese transliteration is also, it's not transliteration, but it has the same meaning as glory as well. So very, very glorious street in Taipa. And anyways, we got it up on the map behind me so you can see exactly where it is. I'll put the lyrics because I create the music with, I write the lyrics and then I put it into an AI program and that makes it into the music. And without further ado, let's just get right into Taipa and seeing what it looks like with a walk and talk where I'll narrate. That's where you learn all the other interesting stuff firsthand. Okay. So we're gonna be going down this little lane right here. And so this is Regador right down there, and then Galaxy Casino is all the way down that way, so you can see that. And then down this way is towards Kunyagai, Food Street. So I'm just gonna meander like this, and we have to take this crosswalk across because we have the right of way in Macau. If you take the crosswalk, you have the right of way. There's a little Thai restaurant there. Oh, it's changed. It used to be a Thai restaurant, now it's called coffee shop. So this whole street has a lot of different food choices. So we are going to go into Gloria, which is this one. But I kind of like this building because it has a nice green glow. It's just kind of a beautiful building in general. Right over there is called Honest Pizza. It's probably the best pizza place by far in Macau. Welcome to Macau, Travessa Portuguese restaurant. I haven't been in that restaurant yet, but I want to. Travessa de Glória. So it looks like you can order stuff on the ground floor, but you can also get stuff if you go upstairs. I think the restaurant part is upstairs. This one used to be a little Hawaiian. Used to be able to get tacos in here. Now it's called Berbao. Something a little bit different now. I believe Gloria continues going this way. And there's some different bars in this area now. OTT, Old Taipa Tavern, is down that way. Park Coffee. Harley Davidson. It's pretty popular now. There's also a Mexican restaurant around the corner and a Thai restaurant. But we're gonna stay faithful to our Gloria Street. Plus it looks kind of cool to go down this alley at nighttime. The lighting, all these the lights are on, and plus the pastel colors of the buildings is really looks nice right now. It always does anyways, but yeah, and actually this area just keeps changing. Just the shops keep changing. Sometimes the streets change too. So we started in Gloria, but we might not still be on Gloria. Oh, we are. There's Gloria. And then this is a little place called Macau. They got some really good food there. And it looks like tonight they got some music too. Oh, that's really nice. Let's get this whole space set up tonight. Plus they got music too. They got Nando's, which is also Portuguese too. And then Macau with some really good, they both have really good food. Let's see. Hey Chris. So we're gonna continue back to Gloria in a moment, but I'm just gonna walk down slightly. So that'll go up to not a main street, but for Taipa Village, it's a main street. But we're just kind of showing you a little bit of the different stuff around here. But yeah, I like what they're doing in this area. Got Baron as well. Nice music. So I think this was Gloria right in here, and then this kind of keeps meandering into the alleyways. But we're gonna follow our street up a little bit further and go up this alley. And I think the name changes up here somewhere. I don't know if this is still Gloria or not. But it's really photogenic. This whole area is really photogenic. This is actually Clérigos. And there's Bella, this Italian restaurant up at the top there with a nice balcony. And then that's the alley that we came all the way down. And you also have some other really beautiful, colorful buildings as well. So we're gonna follow it down this way a little bit. There you go. And we're gonna keep on going up. I don't know if it's still Gloria. I know that was our Gloria, but this might have a different name. We'll see. Antonio. It's really photogenic in this whole area, as you can see. This got all these really colorful buildings. In the daytime, it looks really impressive. So actually, it does actually change its name to Clérigos. So we're gonna go across the street here. And now I can kind of see our little alley all the way down. And then this is kind of this main road. Yeah, the lighting looks just about perfect. So yeah, this is Gloria. And there's actually somebody who's like right in those windows there, which is kind of cool too. They even have a place to sit right over here as well. Okay, so you got a little slice of these alleys in Macau. And we're gonna end this video right there. Nice balconies too, if you see those balconies up there.